Hi, I am Heloisa, and I just want to share with you the wonderful workshop, 21 Days Rediscover Yourself, that I did with Horan and Studi, and I highly, highly recommend it. As we all know, yoga means the union, body, mind, and soul, but we assume that it's just about the asanas, but it's a lot more, and that's what you're gonna learn in this workshop. And it's wonderful. You're not only gonna rediscover yourself, but you're going to enhance your practice and enhance your abilities to heal yourself. Um, During these 21 days, which is a delight to be in class with Horan and Studi and the other students, so much start to change and to happen within you on all these three levels. So please enjoy the opportunity. Take this gift and give it to yourself so you can continue to grow and to improve yourself in all these levels, which it's going to do wonders for you as it did for me, and continue to do it as I practice daily. And this yoga, it's a discipline, and it's not a hard discipline. You can do as much as you can and as little as you can, but if you keep doing it, as you're gonna see, even on these 21 days, you're gonna see things that start to change and happen to you for the very, very best. So wish you all the best. Namaste, have fun.